Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to fix a problem related to Excel. Suppose we are getting this type of problem. Okay, there was a problem sending the command to the program, and we are not able to open the file, and we are getting this dialog box, this window while opening. So what we need to do is go to the window of this Excel sheet, click on File. Now come to the option, click over it. Now go to the advanced. Now scroll it down till the bottom. There is a bar like general, and now uncheck this ignore other application that use dynamic data exchange DDE. So make sure it should be unchecked, and now click on OK. And here now again open the file. Oh yeah, our problem is sorted out. So we are done with this, and now thank you for watching this video.